Alok. You don't want?
O, kayo mag-feed.
Look, Nathan, oh. Anaya.
Look, Anaya, oh.
Anaya po? Where did Anaya got his name from po?
Let's Google.
Anaya got his name from?
Anaya.
Yes.
Anaya means God.
Give it to the pig.
Same with Nathan. It's big.
Yes.
What is Anaya's full name?
Anaya Avery. Anaya.
Dirty, dirty.
Yeah.
Oh, you hold this one. Give it to the pig. Like this, oh. Lagyan mo lang, oh. Hawak mo.
Feed nongs. Family.
These are your family